Michael Robinson hyped up an ETF by calling it the Elon Musk secret currency ETF. But what exactly does this mean, and is this just another sneaky marketing tactic to trick investors? As usual, Michael Robinson wanted people to buy his newsletter just to learn the name of this secret stock, but I'll tell you for free in this video. On top of that, I'll also show you the recent performance of the stock so you can see if Michael Robinson knows what he's talking about. Michael's presentation has to do with carbon credits and cap and trade. Cap and trade is a system to reduce pollution. Basically, a government sets a limit on how much certain pollutants can be released, and this limit decreases over time. Companies get permits that allow them to emit a certain amount of pollution. If a company pollutes less than their limit, they can sell their extra permits to other companies that need more. This way, companies have a financial reason to reduce pollution, as they can make money by selling their unused permits. Overall, this is a very clever system that's in line with capitalism and also the green movement, since it helps lower pollution while also allowing companies to earn extra profits. The secret currency ETF Michael Robinson recommended is CraneShares Global Carbon Strategy ETF. This ETF simply buys carbon credits and sells them for a profit. Now let's look at some of the pros and cons of investing in a carbon credit ETF. The market for carbon credits has strong growth potential. As more businesses recognize the financial benefits of reducing their carbon emissions, the demand for carbon credits is likely to increase, potentially driving prices higher. Also, investing in carbon credits encourages businesses to adopt more sustainable practices. This investment supports projects and technologies that help reduce carbon emissions, contributing to a healthier planet. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The carbon credit market can be volatile and unpredictable, with values fluctuating due to political and regulatory changes, economic conditions, and public sentiment towards climate change. This market is also complex and can be challenging for many investors to understand. Because it's relatively new, there might be less historical data and research available to inform investment decisions. Additionally, there is a risk of fraud in this market, such as companies selling non-existent carbon credits or making false claims about the environmental impact of their projects. Finally, investing in carbon credits might not result in as significant or immediate a reduction in carbon emissions as direct investments in renewable energy sources or energy-efficient technologies. As you can see, CraneShares Global Carbon Strategy ETF hasn't done well since it was recommended. Since its peak in 2022 at around $51, it dropped to less than $32 in mid-2024. In my opinion, investing in these new types of companies that have yet to prove themselves might not be a great idea for a long-term investor. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.